In a split decision, the U.S. Supreme Court has struck down a Trump-era ban on bump stocks for firearms. Fox 43's Matt Kleindens explains how the justices came to their decision.
More than 5 years after a gunman killed 60 people and injured hundreds more at a Las Vegas music festival using bump stocks, the nation's highest court ruled on Friday a 2019 ban on the gun accessories was an overstep of power. Lee Snyder from Winter Firearms in Red Lion says bump stocks are accessories that provide mechanical assistance to shooting a rifle by using the energy from the gun's recoil.
The big thing is now the motion of the gun is going to reset the trigger each time because it's going to leave your finger and come back to it, or as opposed to you moving the finger, but it's still one shot for each pull.
After the shooting, then President Donald Trump urged the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives to issue a ban on the accessory. A Texas gun shop owner challenged the ban, arguing the ATF wrongly classified bump stocks as illegal machine guns. Snyder says Winter Firearms has never sold the accessories due to the legal gray area it sat in.
The biggest fear, not fear so much, is if he has a bunch of that in stock and it does go the other way, then he has to destroy them and he loses money doing that.
The 6-3 majority opinion says semi-automatic rifles with a bump stock is not an illegal machine gun because it doesn't make the gun fire more than one shot by pulling the trigger. Justice Samuel Alito wrote that Congress, quote, can amend the law and perhaps would have done so already if the ATF had stuck with its earlier interpretation. Josh Fleetman with Ceasefire PA says the ruling allows the accessory to appear in Commonwealth gun stores once again.
Pennsylvania is one of the at least 33 states that does not have a state-level ban on bump stocks. And so now here in Pennsylvania, bump stocks are, for all intents and purposes, totally legal.
The court's liberal justices argued it was common sense that anything capable of firing a torrent of bullets was a machine gun under federal law. Now, according to the suit filed by that Texas gun shop owner, there were about 520,000 bump stocks in circulation when the ban went into effect in 2019, requiring people to either surrender or destroy them. That caused an estimated loss of $100 million, according to the suit.
Now, Matt, are Pennsylvania lawmakers going to be taking any action on bump stocks after today's ruling?
Yes, Alyssa, Josh Fleetman says Ceasefire PA will call on the General Assembly to take immediate action after today's ruling. Now, last month, the State House narrowly failed to pass a bill that would have banned bump stocks in Pennsylvania by just one vote.
All right, Matt Kleindens, thank you so much.